Bless up, y'all. It's your guy right here, Makai, the pharmacist, Free Haven Farms. I'm watering all my greens. But what I want to give y'all today is some game about how you can kind of multitask, okay? I'm a very, very, very busy person. What I got to do is combine the work that I'm doing at the farm with my workout. So one way that I do it is my watering bins. So I find a good weight that I can, carry, get a lot of good water in here, and I carry this water out to my beds. This is an actual workout that people do with kettlebells called the farmer's carry. We actually be carrying these buckets like this. As you do your farmer's carry, you can work your shoulders. Boom. Get those shoulder shrugs in there. This right here, this pull right here, your triceps. It's going to get a lot of this back part right there. This is how you get your curls in right here. Don't put too much weight to where it's too much of a strain. And trust me, you're going to get some core work in as you're doing this. Walk through uneven terrain, you're going to have to work abs. You're going to have to work your core. As you're walking, you could do this exercise right here. Get all this up in here. And that's just one way that we stay farm strong. Just you having a garden, I'm telling you, it's going to get you more fit. And remember, if you guys need some game, need some lessons, some advice on how to grow it the right way, get at me. We got the consultation. Click the link in the bio. You want everybody to be growing a little something. This Free Haven Farm. Y'all stay rooted. Keep growing.